In this video, we will show you how to solve a problem in YouTube channel. There is no monetization on our location. When you log in into your YouTube channel, then click Earn tab here. You can see there is message that monetization not available in your location. How to solve this problem? You can select settings on the left tab here. After you select settings, select in here the channel. Okay. After you select the channel menu, just select country of residence. Okay. Just select, for example, United States. After you select United States, just click Save. Then the monetization will available on this country. You can see there. When you reach the requirement, you can apply or join the monetization on YouTube channel. And that's all. Tutorial how to solve a problem monetization is not available on our location. Hope this video helpful for you.